This is going to be a really fast video today. This is a 1000 XP razor, and on the front diff, if you've done a rebuild or if you've had it apart for inspection and when you put it back together you couldn't get the pinion gear to turn, this is something I found out on the second rebuild. This diff's actually gone through 3 at this point. I've used several companies. The latest is a gentleman out of Arkansas. He sells his parts through HD Extreme. Did a complete modification on the inside, changed many of the components to his own design. I'm pretty rough on the front diff. You rock climb, you got the skinny pedal. They do tend to tear up. If you happen to find anything in this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe. It does help the channel out. So doing a rebuild on an XP 1000. I'm doing the Sandcraft kit. And there's many videos out there of you putting it together. But I ran into a trouble. Every time I put it together, the pinion wouldn't turn. And then I noticed this red ring right here was hitting this spacer. And it had slipped up in its pocket. So I got a punch and I just tapped it down. All is good.